artificially well compared to private firms.
Sa'yo lagi mo. Ha? Oh, uniform ako ka. Wala na ko yung pants. Dito magtambay guys sa kuan sa katamurag lab ay sa couch. Hindi ko pwede guys ha.
Basta yun sa atong kuhan katong venue.
Ay same.
Okay.
Oh, unsa na dira Mariet? Dorm. Oh, dira din dorm. Nanay dorm canteen di ako na. Di kami mag-plan. Grabe naman tong first one na to. Para naman, never give up naman to. Never back down, never what? Never give up, guys. Guys.
Matay na dun na.
Hindi ka po nabito ko. Never give up.
Kabakaw dun sa
Every day.
Kabakaw dun sa parang. Ay, mayroon na wala ko na ginapil-apil. Pag-ipahin na.
Oh.
Hindi ako sakay.
Pasakay po. Never what? Never give up.
Gusto ko na lang mag-rolling dito.
Hinahanap ko sa kong ilong. Sa video ni Eden.
Ano sa medyo ako?
Wait lang, nangito man kong panan, oh.
Mariet?
Nangito man. Ay, ito lang daw. 8,000 per sem.
Tara?
8%. Ah, sem.
Ang mura.
So, i-divide na.
Ako, maganda dyan.
Oh. Pero naupat makabok. Ni?
Ah, di rin.
Naupat
Ano
na.
yung aircon,
Napoy
no?
duha. Aircon. Nasa aircon. Depende.
Siyempre. Ay, naman pala. Pressure.
Ano?
Jud ug wala ilahin pa pagigugma ko kanimo murag tambot suga aso-aso pagigugma ko kanimo kusog kaayo ka buto-buto pagigugma.
I-15. Now, you can do an I-15, so you just look into this. Similarly siya to EFT. No? Similar to EFT. Again, the 2001, and then you rate for 1 to 4. Okay? One siya. And then, this will be my last lecture, no? Ako lang ni chapter 5, isang malay sa nanda ko rin chapter 5.
Finals ka ba?
Wala ko yung
us the sponsorship. Alright, first, winner of a VIP Andrew World ticket. He is from the entrepreneurship program. Can I hear the entrepreneurship program? And I believe it's a male from the Andrew program. It's a boy. Well, gender reveal. Alright, his name is... The last name starts with a C. The first name starts with an N. The second name starts with a J. His name is Nino Jason Kai. Is he around? It's Mr. Nino Jason Kai. Yes, please approach to the front and claim your prize. Is this Mr. Nino? I'm seeing here. Alright. Congrats, sir. Congratulations to you. Let's come on stage, please. So our second winner is from the finance department. Oh, I hear some loud cheers from the finance department. Is it a boy or a girl? Gender reveal. So he is none other than Mr. His last name starts with a C. His first name starts with a J. Alright. We have Mr. Jaifel J. Katag. Did you read that right? Mr. Jaifel J. Katag. Is he around? Please do approach the stage and come here so that we can identify you. Is this the one in the blue eye? Miss, I am so sorry, Miss. Alright, our second winner for the VIP ticket is Miss Jaifel Katag. And now we have the next three winners are actually from marketing. So these winners will be receiving their ticket next week. They can claim it from Saibi. Their names are James Elian Chitu, Kirstine Philippe Rosal, and Julian Shea Chua. Right. For our sixth winner, yes, they are also from the finance department. Are we excited? Can I hear the cheers from the finance department? Alright. We have a last name that starts with a B. Who has a last name that starts with a B here? Raise your hand. Alright. I'm hearing some screams here. How about someone with a first name that starts with a P? Our sixth winner for the VIP Andrew World ticket is none other than Proji Crystal Bailo. Is she around? Are they around? Hello, I'm not seeing anyone that's standing up. Kindly stand and approach the stage. We will be giving you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Is she around? Is she around? This is the one. Yes. Alright. Congratulations, Miss Baila, for winning a VIP ticket. And our seventh winner is from the extra department. Where are the entrepreneur students here? Entrepreneurship. Alright.
Dapat di siya na. Dapat siya na. Ay, murag short siya.
So, dyan.
Saan pagkabaw sa size ng bigay?
Sa frequency. Kami sa mall.
How do you know the paper size?
Oh, hero. Ito na lang.
8.5 by 11. Sakto dyan.
Short dyan.
Kaya na, document property sa picture. Lari silapan sila.
Hello.
Para na yung motivation. Wala lang. Pasok ako. Saan naman yun? Management. Management ang tawag diyan naman yun. Management or management? How can you say that? Defend it.
Money.
Money niya, management man ang
Wala
word.
pang management po.
Gilitan lang og money. Murag money management oh.
Money.
Management. Oh,
Ato yan ang ato na siya uniform. Lazada, Shopee. Gani.
Naaman ay kuhan sila. Like promotional ad. Set na lang. Ipunsa nila lang pag gano'n. Oh,
Kita na to itong laptop. Ito na yung nagtuon.
Pilipog si Kuan ng Kuan ay sa descriptive pa siya. Usara ka buo? Hindi na ba siya descriptive analysis kung mo siya i-change value margin? Ako siya i-change ang value. Ang student, para student, 1 siya, ang SMA kay 2, teacher kay 3 na, ako na siya gibakalisihan. Na, dili siya makuhan.
Kanang may yan.
Ini, ako sa testingan ka na usa.
So take 2 days.
Na input range contains na numeric data, kailangan siya nga ni student. Pero kay iwan na lang.
Iwan dito na lang.
O gani, iwan na lang no?
Ito, makikipag-formula ng
Formula man ako niya, butang may diri ko. Kuan.
Iwan na lang dito sa dance. Sa Lazada wallet ka. Ay, murag, pwede na ito niyo mo i-control this. Ay, command C.
Lahi na ba di kuan? Copy siya, jadi paste dire, as paste, paste format ni copy. Yung paste format na values. May paste ba siya? Values. Mura na siya ng focus. I-copy na i-paste dito.
Hanggang hindi inakala naman ng person.
Siya, pero i-minus siya sa kuhan. Itong giyan, i-minus sa mga remaining. So, bali constant na niya ang kuhan, decrease.
Nga wala lang may specific food na sensitivity. Kato na lang, fix na lang, may nag-reference wala ka natin.
Karoon na lang, tawag si Cha. Si Cha ang lead ka. Eden, question na. Sige. Sige, habang wala pa. Question ko kay Eden. So, Eden pa daw?
Yes.
My question is... Virginia.
Mas lipo ka.
Wala na ko yun. Feel ako, naas na naroon na.
Wala na to na after.
Okay na, na-drain ako.
I think
Kaya ako pag ako nagdidig ko question sa resume ko mo, please.
Ano
na question. As a Carolinian, you call yourself as a Carolinian, right?
yeah.
Hey,
Hey.
you call yourself as a Carolinian, right?
Yeah. Why?
So, what is your competitive advantage against other applicants as a Carolinian? As a USC student?
As a USC student, it's an honor to be a USC student.
Then, dapat diretso yung mga answer straightforward.
Gini, dili dapat na straightforward eh. As a okay, straightforward na lang. What is your
What is your competitive edge against other applicants from other school who apply also
My
as an
competitive
intern in our
edge
company?
from other school as a Carolinian is being a known school. Ako self or ang skillahan ng pasabot? Ako self?
Kung integration na sa ilang kung ano yung kasilang core values. So, competitive na ba?
Yun na lang kung mag-business na lang kung ginawa ko ng employee.
Business na.
Mabito na ako motivation nga nung dili ko ganahan mag-employee.
Okay, ang employee kayo, hindi lang employee.
Munang ganahan ko magkuan ko mag-business.
Kuhan, hindi mo bang ma-earn mas na?
From
Kahit sa mga
dili.
traders,
Uy, kung maingon ka nga, di ba, o ba maingon niya? Ang motivation nila kay kana to become rich. Sapod na hinon sa ako, pero ako no kay kana mulikay kog interview sa mga ano.
Kahunan, tapos pagkuhan na ka like, example ba, kailan ka na kuhan event na ikaw ang guest.
Ako din daw dyan.
Kahunan,
Magpa?
magpakuhan mo sa iya.
Kiss.
So what is your edge as a Carolinian?
My edge as a Carolinian is that we've been taught
Okay, call daw si
some
Chat.
core values Being a...
Kasi. Yes, Eden. Continue.
Oh guys, tas talaga ikaw.
Continue.
Nag-interview na sa Virginia. I don't know. Ay, mukas kong balik ni ko. Tilawi daw.
Hala, same di ay. Eden, open sa imo.
Ah. Si Jelal, ikaw, Je.
Pabaro ko.
Ito lang.
Bro, dili siya feel ng matcha. Ma-feel. Dami sa.
Wag ko crunch.
Coco Crunch.
Oh, walay matcha na ko.
Why the fuck am I sad for? I'm doing good. I'm getting better. But for some reason, I'm still fucking sad.
Dapat pala dinala ko yung Vicks ko.
Mariel.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Running. Oh.
Ang update sa ASAP.
Ito sa clouds.
Ano ba kikumpita ka sa
Kikumpit ko. Puto, gilimot na nag-compete. Edit kung pwede pa din.